In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to do a finesse shot in EAFC 26. First, it's actually really simple. All you need to do is hold down the R1 on PlayStation or RB button on Xbox and then press the shoot button. Now here's the key. You don't want to be facing straight at goal. Instead, you want to come in at an angle, kinda like 45 degrees, so your player can curl the ball into the corner. For example, if I'm running from the side of the box, I'll open up my body, aim towards the far post, and then hit that finesse shot. That angle makes the curve much more effective. You can also try it across goal, though it's not as common, but either way, always look to use your strong foot for the best results. One more tip, if the finesse isn't registering, keep holding the R1 or RB button even after you shoot. A lot of players let go too quickly and then it doesn't trigger properly. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Hold R1 or RB, shoot, angle your body and watch that ball curl into the net. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.